I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose Action. Choose Type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now here search and select Omnisend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit Omnisend API console. Now click on Create API key. Give a meaningful name as you want. Then scroll down and click on Save. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Channels. Choose Email Status. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Omnisend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Omnisend. Here is the data that came into Omnisend through the integration. Thanks for watching.